Good morning, students, and welcome to 11th grade pre-calculus. Today we'll be discussing polar coordinates, as in the definition of polar coordinates, the relationship between polar and rectangular coordinates, and the method to switch between the two, as well as examples of polar graphs. The polar coordinate system is a two-dimensional coordinate system in which each point on a plane is determined by a distance from a fixed point and an angle from a fixed direction. The fixed point is called the pole, and the ray from the pole in the fixed direction is the polar axis. The distance from the pole is called the radial coordinate or radius, and the angle is the angular coordinate. The relationship between the rectangular coordinates xy and the polar coordinates r theta is as follows. An example: if r theta is equal to 4 7 pi over 6, our polar coordinates of a point P, find the rectangular coordinates of P. So x is equal to 4 cosine 7 pi over 6, which is equal to negative 2 divided by the square root of 3. Y is equal to 4 sine 7 pi over 6, which is equal to negative 2. Therefore, the rectangular coordinates of P are negative 2 square root of 3, comma, negative 2. Using this information on equations, you can turn the line with the equation ax plus by equals c into its polar equivalency, which is r is equal to c divided by a cosine theta plus b sine theta. Here are examples of common polar graphs. Lines which add up together to form the polar graph. Circles. Cardioids. Roses. And spirals of Archimedes. You can also combine polar graphs to form unique pictures. Such as a diamond ring. And with a little bit of practice, you can create some very unique pictures.